Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bill Competition Cars, and today we're going under the undercarriage of this 1972 Cadillac Fleetwood Factory built limo. 21,000 miles on it, and I can't wait to show you this one. I know there's a lot of guys that collect limos. I've never really been into these much at all, but I had an opportunity to buy this one, and when you see it, you'll see why I'm so excited about it. Very well preserved. We cleaned and detailed, refinished a few things here and there, but just look at the bottom of the bumper, the chrome, all the bright work. We believe this exhaust is original. It's got a little bit of a pinhole here. We're going to leave that. It's not terribly loud, but it's there. But the reason we think it's original is because this muffler has a dent in it. And they say if there has that dent, they did that on purpose to clear, I guess, when they were installing or the drive shaft. So that's supposed to be factory. As you can see, this has some old undercoating from many decades ago, maybe from the selling dealer, but it did its job, protected everything. Look at the frame rails, everything is tight and clean. We always look for leaks. We can't guarantee old cars won't leak. I don't see anything crazy leaking anywhere. Doesn't mean it can't though, so that's just kind of our typical disclosure. It just had $4,000 spent on it, getting the air conditioning, front and rear air fixed. Air blows like ice cubes, but just very original and very well preserved. Look at that. Again, gas tank looks good. Undercarriage, bottom of the bumpers looks fantastic. There's a lot to love here. And once you see the color, I love that color. Looks fantastic on the car. It's got the correct looking BFGs, bias ply style tire. I think these are reproductions. They look legit to me, like they're the original type tires, but they look fairly new. And then in here, if you look on the DOT, it has like a 22 production date. So that leads me to believe they were just like a reproduction type tire to make it look, which is what you want on that type of car. But again, what an awesome car. Can't wait to show you more of it. I have Christian working today, so we wanted to get this undercarriage done and knocked out. That's the first thing we did. We'll do the engine bay next, and then we're gonna paint correct the car and kind of see where we're at. Look at the markings, original markings on the drive shaft. You can tell the car was just very, very well preserved. Any questions, put them in the comment section. You will see this on YouTube first. We'll be live on Bring a Trailer. I'm excited to see what it does. It could do a really incredible number because it is rare and it's very clean and it has very low mileage. And I love the front end of a 72. Just a good looking car. Hood's open a little bit because Christian worked on the engine bay as well. So check it out. Any questions, put them in the comment section. Have a great day.